Online di order di mana? Amazon. Tapi di Boyar, tapi di mana?
Boyar, come here. Let me also introduce our writers. So, this book on Maharaja Dhanya Manekya, on Maharaja's history and the battles with the Sultan Hussain Shah. It's a very relevant book about the history of that particular period. Today we are going to inaugurate the statues of Rai Kachak and Rai Kosam, who were the brave generals of Maharaja Dhanya Manekya. So this book has the history about that period, not only about Maharaja Dhanya Manekya, but also of Rai Kachak and Rai Kosam. And it's available on Flipkart and Amazon. So this is the first copy. So if you wish, you can have a look also, and please purchase the book, because we need to encourage our authors, our young people to come up with such books and to have an interest and do research on Tripura's history. So Boyar is also a member of the organization that I am the convener or the head of. It's called Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTACT. I'm in charge of Tripura. So he, along with Umang Devarma, we're all working along with other students also and other people. Mr. Mewar also, he also is a member. So likewise, we try to do seminars, programs, exhibitions, writing of books. We publish the souvenirs on Maharaja Veer Vikram. In fact, we were the first to initiate and celebrate his first birth anniversary. So we've been doing a lot of these things, and this book in particular is being released, and we are happy, but we'll be showing you the book later on. We are trying to bring out 2 books which are going to be introduced in the curriculum of our ADC area. One book is in Kokborok and one is in English. So these will be for students. That's a general history of the Manekya dynasty, along with general knowledge kind of questions and answers. And it will be very interesting and a good start. Today, as we are facing problems, as you all know, regarding Kokborok language, we've had recently the strike and other problems. So this is the right time to give importance to our language. So as a part of this, PTT-ADC has assigned us with this work to bring out publications in Kokborok, as well as, of course, we're doing it in English for general awareness and understanding, and so that it is there for the benefit of all our community and for the state and for other people also who are interested in the history of Tripura. Thank you. A lot of planning. So that's why you see the this will be in brass, like this. Once you see the face, you'll be able to see that they are and the expression that they're going to fight. And that is what we're trying to show. Standing, but you are the other action. स्टैचुकली हम लोग ने जो जेन्युइन चीज़ है वो यूज़ करके हम लोग ने ये बनवाया ये मच मोर नाउ वी आर द ऑपोजिट yes old style brass. It's actually the original models in brass. Yes, I have this in the house. In the palace we have.
Yeah.
So
The extra color, if you can put over here, then it looks
Buksong hari sing joto por kutong kay phalene tayaw hagino abatini sini inaugurator sampai baksa hai sokaja His Highness Monojabi Project Vikram Kishore Manik tai sini chief guest tong sampai baksa Maharaj Kumari Pragya Devi Porok diri o dinot kologirui omro udbudon khairane ambai sabte buksong sing joto tiar Panglane.
Dolly, madam.
I think you have to pull from here.
Hello. Anh cái sing do tôi ya vào con lẽ nữa. Ya vào con lẽ sing rồi thì tôi có một cái để lấy cái thằng không đặt cái sing. Ya vào con lẽ. Tại sao hay cái đó? Bên đây cái không lấy sing đâu. Ở chỗ này cái không có cái.
Oi, anh tí xíu lại cái số này lên. Hukum tu sih, hukum.
Satu ni.
Hukum tu sih, hukum tu. Oh.
Certainly, Montino unveil Platinum statue along the right child, the right side. Borok Beleke Sinibagay Sini
Like some almost like some chili bowl thang tonight. Like some chili bowl thang tonight. Like some chili bowl almost tonight. Like some almost like some key. Like some key. Like some chili bowl almost like some chili bowl almost like some chili Tripura like chili bowl almost tonight. Like some chili Tripura bowl almost tonight. Like some chili Tripura honey bowl thang tonight. Like some chili Tripura honey bowl thang tonight. Like some key. Like some almost like some almost like some almost like some chili boy sali tali kara nai. Like some chili boy sali tali kara nai. Maharaj produk kisu chili boy sali tali kara nai. Maharaj produk kisu chili boy juga sali tali kara nai. Maharaj produk kisu ayu loto. Maharaj produk kisu ayu loto. Maharaj produk kisu ayu loto tali kara nai. Maharaj produk kisu long leg. Maharaj produk kisu ayu loto. Maharaj produk kisu ayu loto. Maharaj produk kisu long leg. Maharaj long leg. Maharaj long leg. Like some ayu. हमारी